first.
I did life now.
You put that for speaker, everybody they yell.
Now since yesterday, they speaker. Mama, now this early morning, you want to do a proco. Eh?
What I go do? I don't sleep yesterday. I took.
Now your picture just show your proco picture.
You don't put that.
With day anything. This early morning, I sleep yesterday, man. As I go, I so sleep take carry me boy. Mama, what will be your contribution? You say?
You know, say yesterday, I tell you, say, see as it they work for you.
For who? For who? For who?
For people who celebrate.
Okay, Rita celebration.
You can put her name.
You know, say me and Dime, you know, say me and not they, I Dime wewa, and they open, no say I be an analyzer.
Yes, so you know, say Rita yesterday she called post this the way she do not say when people don't talk, only you go use shame and disgrace post what you go do. Now she called post the thing where she go ask screenshot time more quick. Because I go send that for you. I don't remember what I send that for you before you put that for the back of the screen. Now figure craft. I'm not the way I tell you yesterday.
Yeah.
Say now she go learn. I said no, because for years she not get behind.
Flingy calf. Wait, flingy calf. Wait, which one? Which this is applied in be that?
That's people where they take off old people.
Okay. Zog. They call them for years. Zog.
I be out of first.
This early morning gossip got TP. Oh yeah, what person yesterday? He said, "Mama lovely." I say, he said, "This afternoon you got to do your gossip."
Listen to me now.
They talk.
Flagging crafts now people where they take care of old people. Yeah, she not do hospital because to do hospital for that thing I go complete 3 years, 3 years complete with full chest. I said the Rita.
Full chest.
But this one which go do now 1 year course. They give me 2, me no do. I leave one because I do only 6 months. I do my own for 6 months. Because don't be waiting. Because as I use my work, I see as it they be. I not fit. So they carry old people. So whenever you shit rob you, stick for your eye. So the thing can't debilitate me. Now me can't drop my own for 6 months. I not do. I just do only 6 months. I leave one. I see as I don't be waiting. I'll feed do. Because it gets to kind of people we go meet. Really, if you be friggin' crafts, yeah, it gets to kind old people house where they will say you go, old people hospital where they will say you go, you go regret your life. So when they open their punani, so one go they come out. So other their where for the people. If you say go just white for ground, so one go they come out for inside. So go fed dog restaurant corner, so the place go they smell, make go they come out. I see many things that make me not fit do again. I stop on. So now she go because for now for Deutschland, if you not get a firearm, that is experience. They don't they play you again because many people go they abuse the work because they don't know them.
Yeah.
When they go play the finish, they go do shots, so go break it in their hands, so go follow the day for side by true. Because they don't know them. So now they come put now as an obligatory. Obligo. Say it's a must. Say you must do.
Go to school.
This do go to school. That is your go learner. Not be big school like that. You don't be like all this man go school where government the send us go. You understand? You feel they go say you go different school. You go pick the one where you want go. And me, they tell you now say for free. You know that they come for free. The one where Rita go so. No be who government now let you go pick this one because I'm for Auslander. So that at the end of the day, she come put that cap for our own. They know they wear that cap. La.
Which cap he wear?
They know they that I would sure say she go buy that car by herself for Amazon.
Okay, graduation, this thing, dress,
uniform,
yeah.
yes. They know they use that for for Deutschland. They know they use that. You are not a university student.
Yeah.
In fact, anything you go do, you are not even, except you are a university student. And you see that one they use, not people do something, you go pack come, I don't really for former. Whether they let them go organize themselves, buy for Amazon, all of the guys are buying. You know this happen for you. And then you go even there, say you have the post yourself ticket, can't give you. You don't even need to even go there, go gather. Then when we want to do how did the call for those land go to Abschluss, closing. Everybody will go there together for the hall, for the school.
Yeah.
Everybody go bring the food, come. That be Abschluss. We don't close. We don't finish.
Yeah.
The season don't go. If you like anything you like, you buy. They know they wear coat, come wear like people they do matriculation.
Yeah.
They know they do it for Deutschland. Ask anybody, not they here like that. So this one when she goes, so me see the whole I see carry agbada for maths and they tell everybody for free. When I come say she come put her for work, saying that craft. Oh my God. Once I tell mommy lovely yesterday na fliggy craft she go. She first said she betrayed us. You know, see one woman I post her for my work. That Joyce Okoro, I don't know. That one say I disappoint because you don't first tell us say you are a trained nurse. When you never even be anything, you don't tell us 3 years ago, so you be say you betray us.
Okay, now this person blogger, where did they call it? People are saying, this another blogger, still blogger, Becky, blogging,
yes,
this thing.
All of the blogger, because when people live with lie, you see, lie and one thing where you can never, you don't feel control life forever. Lie. Oh, for you to control, you go to lie more. You go to lie more, your nuts go to open.
Yeah, because the one when they post, when Becky blog post yesterday, the time when Rita Fete do that video, he don't tell. Yeah, that video don't tell. He got to say, he betrayed nurse. Abi, not be that one they talk.
That one see different. That one see different. The one we maybe post yesterday, I post. Okay,
that one I say another one.
I posted yesterday when they call it laugh and plus this picture where they tell you now say I screenshot. Now people go they disappoint. So now fligging craft you go do now they tell us you be doctor. Me not think
okay, no, she not thought say she be doctor. She says she go because you know say as I did live video yesterday they say now no school now he go. You know say wait me I explain now. You know say later now the one when you first talk almost 4 years ago say he be doctor. Is it now 4 years or be 3 years? And he be nurse. He be trade nurse. Then wait, you know why people come bring that picture come and say, how many times you want to go school of nurse? Because because years back she felt to say she be nurse. Now say she keep the certificate say anytime now she go like that. Then yesterday now the consistency they celebrate say you don't see finish another no school.
No school.
That means yeah, and I make they come they blog that blog yesterday because I reach comment section. I come they say this video now long time video because the video don't take. Then I people come they say whether na so no school whether na they go. Me I see the write up yesterday when people they put the write up because.
Okay.
It can't be like
this will not be shame and disgrace. Only you, this will not be shame. That's why I shall watch you get the behavior. When that thing they paid the way they don't see achieve. See, to go no school for you, you'll get your C1. No, do you know what is she never pass B1. B1, she never feel pass her. I they tell you for free. You cannot get B1.
Nah, what?
We doctor say post your B1 certificate. You know the graduate put they go send and go give you for us. Post Rita, I don't put you for another race. Now go do your B1s. Go and do your behinds. You get behinds, you never use your German passport, took up for our eye.
Okay, BI, na Germany passport. Yeah, you know the exam when at the school whether they go to get Germany passport.
Yes, she no fit pass am. Till that kid don't come, she never fit pass am. Let us a bit speak Dutch. Our Dutch that cut her nail. Useless set of animals. We no fit give anything to impress other people's life, to make other people challenge. Not only run or they run when nobody to pursue now. When they run, they go to one achieve. I don't know put that for race. I don't know now they follow they do competition for life.
Okay, somebody say yeah, Lucky. Lucky say yes. He said that they see school, you go school before you get passport. She you know say now we talk like she can't say yes.
This will not get the eyes.
Are you there? Good morning, my darling.
This see, like say Rita feel pass behind say this passport is not going to tell me as you. Rita for don't go collect German passport. See, it's going to use and slap all of us.
That exam they had to pass. That exam they had to pass.
To do if you want, see, if you want really say you they want do nurse better or not be auxiliary nurse. No, so you say nurse school. Be nice. If you don't want to go more into political or whatever, you will get your CIS join up. No CIS. Before they go feel admit you say okay you pass. Because nurse get to reading, writing, duplication, because you get many things to do as a nurse. Don't say you just go stand, they look. No. Now you go write. You get to do it right. Do you know what is German? To write in Dutch. You say that mom, you say that mama come back for me.
Dutch with Netherlands. Now they say to write they had to.
No, voila. So when you see, BS alone, see, BS they get 3 parts where they say is strong, where. Where they say if you don't feel compose they go fail you. Yeah? They also make you write 80 words. 1 for scribing, that's to write. Oh, no put the sentence where. No write out where. No do your spelling where. When you see what you go happen to you for all. They go sack you.
Now that one I be theory.
Make they come tell you now say make you cause letter. You they go holiday. You get dog for house. How you want do? They go say you compose as a letter. Oh, look, and you are not allowed to carry your dog with you for flight. How you want do with your dog? They go say make you write out for theory.
Yeah.
Proposal. So Rita no know ABCD for German. Even the verb for German, Rita don't fit pronounce am. And they tell everybody for free. Me na person when we talk first. If Rita said that let me and I talk, make she come, me no dey quarrel. Make she come out, me na go do quiz for Dutch. Make una say that Rita go fit. Because if I say I go call big people come, she go say why me no consider. Me and I do quiz for Dutch. No one they see I make a shologo, I shologo. She no fit. She no fit. She don't get that orientation.
Okay, the one when she do yesterday now, what it be that one?
That one frigate craft now to take off old people.
Okay. So yeah, we they call her Biade. Those are where they go for Biade house.
Yes, you must get a farong before they go fear play.
For IT, that they call her Casa Riposo.
For Italy, you don't talk finish. Yeah. You know, you must get a farong before you go fit do that work for Germany now. She just want to take people and she dey full herself to go. She just don't want to start the collection social money. She don't dey work. She's not working, collecting social money. I want to go school. You want to use empower who? You don't say that everybody want to clear the danger again. Only don't the wife for Deutschland again. Now before everybody run, I want to do craft because there's no work. The only work we get in a craft you can go for Deutschland. You understand me? Tomorrow now she fit apply. She go put this as certificate journal. They fit appear anywhere. Because what she get the far wrong already.
Yeah.
You understand? She don't get the far wrong. She go interview now. She go pass her. Me I know the pass her because not be all she go see no. The little one that.
But for this one when she do, she know if it take injection. Oh, she know if it take injection.
Who you want give injection to?
Okay, she know if it take injection.
Give injection as who? For frigate craft.
Okay.
People when they give injection.
Lucky say you are saying the truth. Lucky, are you in Germany? Do you live in Deutschland?
You say what's it?
You say na truth. Now you they talk. Now I ask and say whether na Germany dey.
The only people that read a frigate ambulante. They get right to give injection. They get right to give tablet. Those people are different people entirely.
And they go the real no school.
Now those people go this craft ambulante. You go get motor. You go from house to house. If you don't want to go from house to house, that was easy. You carry medicine. You fit go supply medicine for pharmacy. You fit go supply medicine. You fit employ yourself, self-employed.
Yeah, self-employed. Yeah.
Waiting the Zuzu. See, me, I don't go, me, 25 years in Deutschland, I the mumu. Me, they follow people, they go do donation. They do translator with people, and they go different bureau. I don't go there for this country. I know the Gesetz. I know the law and order of this country.
Yeah.
She the one Rita, she the Chris, she the Zuzu. I think the same know that this social media again. Now she go feel Zuzu anybody. We go push her. She go say go do another course now. Call bet. You know, see the badge when we call the pay me. She'll come for one badge. I don't know where she forgot create that badge. Only she create her, put her for her chest. Say Dr. Query. Oh God.
That one AI now. AI.
Jesus, people can fool themselves. Fool people when they follow them. When they don't do what way, they say the way they don't know say you want catch them. They'll divert to go another one. They'll come out.
You got one just now. That mama went there UK. He say Elizabeth they not get UK passport. Say na US passport now he get. People come they talk say US passport better pass UK passport. Now say who be these people? Who be these people? Who don't be US passport?
Look.
I gotta say, what it be US passport? Say US passport better pass citizen passport. Man, these people, they are all mumu too much.
UN passports. Really, the little one I know about UN passport is allowed to travel anywhere you want to go because you are a government property.
Even that UN passport, you know if you use and take go as it is, so you know if you use and go to Nigeria direct. Yeah, you know use and take go Nigeria. They still tell us if you use and go anywhere. You know if you use and take go Nigeria.
Go do it for Nigeria.
If you use and take go Nigeria, they go seize the document. If you come back, they go seize it. Now if they go even go down for herself.
Without being told, she don't even come back again. Forget say they go seize her or they don't go seize her.
I buy my house cash.
We know they talk that one.
I buy my house cash. That one come they talk about UN passport. Now people they put for that one comment say get one person when you go comment say well, that one tell you write the comment. Now because say I don't even know them. Now they fight themselves. They will not get something. They go they fight themselves. I don't know.
Me know they talk for their matter because their matter don't they do me now. The person will be say if they want color people heads, to one couple say she be special. No. And see Meg, I don't know. Me, I don't like
not talk about Meg, yeah. Now invite she be. Now invite she be.
I know, get what I want go, get what I want to talk. No be, I don't get anything to do with her. I said like that one now. You know, say that one say they work for hospital before. I don't know that she don't stop. You understand? She know what they talk about.
Okay.
That time when that one sit to say she go school, she do hospital. You know, say yeah, they get hospital. When you do hospital for a year, you don't go get this kind of certificate. No. They don't give you this kind of certificate.
But Meg not to say na doctor. If you look the video when Meg they do, Meg can't to say you get one video when you do now Meg can't to say some day when they if you go no school now the one when you go no school now they fit take injection.
No be how they talk yours now.
She talking for the video when she they do video.
Me they talk everything because now parts when me don't go for this Germany. Me I don't work for hospital. My last work in hospital I sit down when before I stop so. The hospital now for still end up. Because I like the work before. But when I come and say, wait, how much? When you want by yourself for, God forbid. Then they'll come say, yeah, if you want to receive more money on top of her, go do training. Now training she go. Training, common training of 1 year.
Mama, you see that this thing about working with old people, do all those things with old people. Me, I get this thing. I don't feel work with old people. The old people when I work with, not be the one when they sick bed. For you to know, say I don't work. You know, say that they see old people when they a casa repose for year that they call them Biade house. Not be the one when they Biade house. Not be the one when they get their this other thing they call them for English. I don't see forget that. The one when I work follow, the one when be say, they go carry the come a place where they still do for them.
When they keep people when they say they don't old, they don't feel stay alone for us again.
And all those one, that they go house.
To get that for year.
Yeah, that they go
for year, that they go house. Maybe people now, maybe
that they go.
Children want travel.
Wait, make I talk. You wait now. May I talk first. Now there. Now me and for work. I don't feel work with them that time. Then in the evening, they will come they carry that they come out. Now different one that they see. There is the one when be say that they like place like hospital. So not where the day hospital. So they know nobody they take care of their gate. Their children don't come out for house. You know, they'll say they know if they walk again. Those ones don't reach 70, 90, 80 something. I don't walk. All those ones, the place when they walk, they know they sleep there. 5 o'clock, we don't close. We start around 9 o'clock. They go bring their come. Now, motor they bring their come those buses. They get all those buses where they carry their come, those small buses where they carry old people. They go bring their come. Around 5 o'clock, they will come, they carry them. I don't work for them. For those one, me, I know about all those old people. How they take care of them. But the one where they hospital, I never take care of them. The one where they be at the house.
No, hospital, make I tell you. Me, they explain to you. It's not an hospital. They call
I talk for you just now. For you that they call her Biade house. For Italy that they call her Casa Riposo. For English,
okay.
For English, what do they call her for English?
It's the big where we go be like hospital, but not be hospital.
I know, yeah.
Different section go there inside, different office go there inside. It go be like a clinic sit there. Every day, now they give them injection. Injection. And the one we get diabetes, or the one we get hepatitis C or B or A or now they go to control all of them. They stay there.
Yeah.
People, it get one of our sister for you know where she don't wear. She did that place too now because she don't feel take off herself alone. She did that now. You understand? So now those
How old did be? How old did be? That sister?
That 35 years.
Oh, they sick.
She just sick. She not call the feel they get up again, so that they come carry and go. She don't feel stay alone. So whether they will reach 35 years, I'm not sure. No, I'm not sure. So now they pull them.
Care home. English now care home. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, care home. Yeah, for here that they call her Biade house. For Italy that they call her Casa Riposo.
Casa Riposo, yeah. So this care home, now they nurse go there, Those nurses, they get their own different uniform. Get one kind of uniform they wear. It's different. People they keep food. They get their uniform. People they clean them. They get their uniform to differentiate all of them.
No.
They all got part of them will be doctor will go come. Don't take their blood. Because all these nurses, they are not even allowed to shoot needle at all. They know they agree me, they shoot the needle. Now, doctor, go see, if he get the day where doctor they come, go shoot needle for the one way they need to shoot needle for. You understand what they talk? The nurse, they are only allowed to speak. That is, if the people will get diabetes, they will speak them. When they take speaks it, not the one they take tablets, you are allowed to speak them. Sugar, that's money the way be where they give them a small injection for to control their sugar. So all those parts, different parts that they said that are casa de reposo, the care house. So you when they work for care house, you know me say you are a nurse, is it there for hospital like that? Say you do this ambulante or craft or whatever, they 50 employ you for any hospital. What you want to do for them? So in the morning, you stay in charge to clean people when they want clean, the one when they want bath, they don't write and give you the list. The day we reach your tongue, the person you want bath, the whole way there, the bed way there, the bed number, everything they'll carry and give you. Before your time, you don't do, maybe like 10 people you want bath that day, you don't bath them, or you want clean them, you don't clean them. Not be nurse they do. Nurse they always there with doctor.
Yeah.
They don't get into what they do for hospital. Nurse they play for hospital, they know they do anything.
Nurse now this is that they carry tablet. Medicine.
The young carry my tablet can give you go sit down for. They get when they sit down put. They know they do anything because they know what to give you at the manager. Maybe when they press there, when the sick people press the bell, you go to ring. Then you as a nurse, you go there, go ask what you want. Finish on now their work because they don't get their fire wrong. That fire wrong means say you don't get the experience.
All these people when they work for the day this thing. Now for 4 hours now that they work for 4 hours. They go another place go work. They only work for one place for 8 hours.
No, they work there. For year, there's 6 hours that they work.
Okay.
If you like, the person they play, you're going to give them full time again.
There are no full time. They don't give full time for the day work.
They don't already stop. All this other they rain again for you. They don't give full time again.
No,
because
they don't do full time.
So some people now see get their complete 8 hours.
Because where I work follow them that time. If maybe if I start around 9 o'clock, I will close. I will do 4 hours. That will be 5 hours. If I take come out another person when he go work, that one will still be come. They change.
My own 8 hours I do 8 hours now you they do because as I get this wrong. If I start around 6, I'll close 2. You understand? Then I'll do pause 30 minutes. Finish. You understand? So make them not confuse anybody. Make them not they lie. That's why I do hospital. That's why I do. If you do hospital, shame not go shame you to show your certificate. You go knock and boza. People go see and boza. You go they give us boza. We go shut up our mouth. We no go talk again.
Mama, you know what to me? I see for this social media. Like yesterday, somebody say whether I not get diploma. Now I can tell us the time when I go school for a year, not be Facebook, not day. Facebook day, but live video not day. Maybe I foresee they show my own. I get my own. But live video no. Live video no day that time. Now record, now they record put for this thing that time. Person when you go school 2013, 2014, 2015. Facebook no day that time. Facebook day, but live video no day. Now tell the person say people they go to school without they not put on for social media. You know what I see for this Edo Sabah space. My anything when they carry come Edo Sabah space, not be real, na fake. Me I know. I know say na fake. If you want go no school, you cannot go Facebook. You don't fit go Facebook because you they read. You cannot do live video for only the day when you go say maybe the day when you go free, when you not go school. You cannot be going to school. Do you know to go school the same time you go to do live video? How you want to do it? All those things when they come to for social media. Me, I know say all of them are saga. all of them na saga. If person bring something come now, he tell say he buy am. If person, mama wait first. If person come now, he carry new something come say I bought this thing. No say na second hand. No say na second hand. Yes, no say na second hand. You no get money. Maybe person will come and say I buy this thing. How much I take buy am? Maybe the something na 50,000 euro. The person go tell you say na if you buy 50,000 euro. If you see the something for old, you go know say na second hand dead something when be say you can buy it like 1,500, 2,000. Now so they be. All those things, me I know for social media, say they are doing caricature. But now the people will be say that they do saga, now their fans take on person and say now the real facts, neither they do. But for me I know say everything is fake. Before you go see Nigeria person, he go say he go no school for abroad. Say he go on. If they use how they work. My sister. Now lie, neither they lie. They are lying, to be honest. That they lie. Mama, come help me to warm this thing. Now lie, I mean all those things I see. If you want to go to school, it's not easy. They know they use school to play. Now they use school to they do caricature. If you dey school, you not go feel on camera. The time when I dey go school for ya, you not feel on camera for our class. What you want use and do? At that time, say Facebook no even day. And you cannot on camera, not be for caricature. The school is not caricature. Maybe all those when they on camera for school, all those when they go language school. You know, teacher go dey inside class, they go on and a language school. But real school, you not feel on camera. It's not possible. It's not allowed. Because your phone go there inside your locker. Yeah, your phone go there inside your locker. All those ones when they say that they go school, come they shout for social media. Now language school now that they go. Not be real school. Yeah, now language school. Now wait and see be that. But me, I dey blogger. Anything when it comes social media, they use until they analyze and not consign me. And I wait and see be that.
Useless set of people. Why the confusion? Why they confuse yourself? I celebrate, I graduate, I do the house.
People some people there. So mama, do you know that there is parents when they born children for abroad? They don't even know at this time. They don't even know the level when their children there for school. They don't know. They don't know the level when their children there for school. Some know their children go even there. This thing college. They will tell people say their children there university. College and university not be the same. They don't even know the level when their children there for school. Some of them now today now they see they do they see all these commenters. Then they comment they go. They don't know how they feel school for children. They don't know. What they just know saga. Now you can see some you get where they go their children go reach. The mama go come confused. The children will come confused. Because they don't know say to go school for abroad now level by level. Instead of them to keep their sanity, make they take care of their children, make their children take go school. Now that they do all those things. Let them keep their strength for their children. Really.
You don't see her say that uniform when she wear when she call pack this take full neck. You know say
mama they talk make I want my meat pie. I want my seconds. They talk and they talk. You know
say for year that this thing where they check BP, where they check heartbeat, even for fliggy craft, they don't use her for this. She don't fit use her. She's not allowed to use it.
Oxygen boss. Yes. Carbohydrates.
Then she's not allowed to use it. Now she go and buy all of them for Amazon.
Oxygen tank.
Mama, me no use her because I don't be doctor, I don't be nurse. I not, in fact, I not fit talk. Oh my gosh, Jehovah Nissi. My God. Salubwa. When this your fake life will come end, now be my problem so. Because now what the person they do, now they accuse people of. You don't say when I young you get billion, so this let the job come out. Say me don't go buy a picket for Amazon. No, me don't see your whole part now. I don't go out and go find all those things. I see all of them for there. What you want finish your life, fake life, I shower picking. Ninja yoga more. See, if you see this social media, you go live out by force. Nobody say you again. Everybody don't enter house. You see the showcase like lie up and down. You are precious man, we don't mark date. It remains small. Now go quarrel. The quarrel that we go settle around. All the lie we go hear around that time. After the reggae play the blues, after the fight. Now one can tell us say, precious man, I don't travel all the way from wherever she is. Don't call and over, come follow you do sweet celebration. Where we never see. Pepe there. No one do Pepe there. We know they see all this thing. Enter house. Tell people the truth. Fligging craft is not a nurse. It's not an hospital. You don't do hospital. You don't do professional course. You just go training to know how to take care of old people. You collect social bonito for pocket for 1 year. No jigbo no. No jigbo you'll be struggling with life. I met you here in Anova. Who will struggle with life? Remember what we
Mama, another story you can't talk. I think that's no story. Now, Saga, you can't do for here.
I'm not do Saga. I they tell her everything. Say make she enter house. All this fake life when she don't start since 1972. You know the favor, she know the year. She know the year. Not be hospital you do now. Say I finish hospital. Hospital is 3 years. 3 good years. It's not a moment. When you go for 1 year, you can't tell us say you don't graduate. I graduated. See what they write for there. You see what they write graduates put for the certificates.
Because the certificate there with you.
Just not being the proof for that. Don't be the say the proof for that. Graduate of what? Graduate what? Have you ever seen and say, don't start the tell us say we graduate? Where you go when you graduate? See, at university you go. Go just training, come on training. Whether they do 6 months to 1 year. If you do 6 months, you don't satisfy you, go 1 year. Then when you want to extend that to 3 years, Then now you get what they call 4 bidon. The first bidon is for you to go. That be training. You want to read more. You want to learn more. You want to get an farong. You want to get experience. How to do this one, how to check. They can train you how to check all this thing, how to check BP very easy. Even you will never go to school, you feel buy the machine, check out by yourself. Not when you want to tell us. Even people never go ABCD, they can do that one. Make sure enter also because as I did now the verse
You know kind of person. This one a person Igbese. You win that. You want about you win that.
She carry hunere ko. Mommy love no dey call her hunere, no be she carry hunere ko. No be she carry hunere ko. Now she carry hunere ko, no be problem. We agree. Now that we die here. In hunere progressive union, now that we die.
Okay, somebody say she go to school for 3 years. Is it planet?
They say
Well, it goes to school. It goes to school. It goes to school for 3 years. Somebody like her now.
He said the jealousy is too much. She did her 3 years hospital. It's not easy. She deserve precious man. I beg, go sit down. Precious man, don't do for you. I beg.
No. Leave precious man.
Leave all this your right way they right. Forget me. You know, just land with it. Me and you know the quarrel. Now you form quarrel. Now you carry quarrel for where you for the call. Me and you don't get quarrel one day. So I don't see quarrel you for yet. If you are ready to quarrel with you, I go come out to my, I go see follow you do the quarrel. But me not get quarrel with you. Because even from the Genesis when you they play the call, we know quarrel one day. Now you go carry over Sabif, carry another person matter put for head. And at last, you see fall come up for dead. So what you want to do, I never know for love for nobody. I beg, don't drive me shift. I beg. Now you, which time should they do 3 years course? May she show us the beginning of her course. May Meg show you, precious Meg, may Rita show you her behinds. Which they go hospital for 3 years. May you stop all this nonsense so you the right for you. I will not be just land with the guys will not get behinds when they go 3 years course for this country. Why you not do your 3 years? You don't tell us you do hospital that time. You precious Meg, you don't talk that time say you see the hospital.
Orlando, you forget question, Meg. You comment now. You talk with you, they talk.
Where worry you? Now you say because of me to say they were so correct. Now me she reply, now the reply on Twitter. Don't do. But me love you if you say you're not talking.
No, I'm not saying you not talk. He said you now so quarrel.
Not control me. Not control me if I want to talk for you.
Okay, they talk. But I know the only way to not need is so you they talk. Talk with you they talk. Now talk with you they talk.
I know it's so true. Not tell me say me I'm not talking. If you say me I'm not talking, then say you they control me and then I go come up for you.
No, I'm not telling you. No, I don't tell you say me you know. No, I don't tell you say me you know. I don't tell you say.
No jealousy. Don't they put jealousy for inside anything. When you come on that day saying that so you win one thing, me not congratulate. I say things that congratulations happy for you because it's not easy.
Okay, see her now. She said she not mention your name. Not be quarrel now.
When I talk, say I make the right date, say that also quarrel will go settle her. Now she's called reply me say,
okay.
Wait for.
Okay, you talking for another place, not be here. Abi?
Now yeah, talk maybe if the shop has the shop your meat pie it will suit you.
Okay, maybe that time I go downstairs, go one meat pie. I'm not there now.
As I talk, and she put that comment say, I don't want to wait me with quarrel. I don't play me on a quarrel. Because anywhere you quarrel with person, you see make settlement. It's good. Me, I like them. But me, I know they like all this eye service. What they not build, I will say be. No. What they not build, I will say be.
Okay, sister man, you there here now? You know say you go to celebrate. Wait first, mama. Sister man, may you explain to us whether na nurse, which nurse it be? Now people they talk, and you go explain. Now you know say now you go the party, you go explain and say see the nurse when it be. No matter how you see the school certificate, not be waiting there for the quarrel. You see the school.
Don't still work as a frigate craft before. Where you know what they talk? I see the life she see life for us that time. Except say that life make life for us that time when she said she do frigate craft for one hospital that time. When she wear uniform they put battle for our left hand side.
Okay, now the quarrel, now she did now make the verse for say why you go see me the quarrel, now the quarrel.
No, I don't see me the quarrel. I know they like today because if they go quarrel later, make they tell us say, no, you know, God is how we go to meet you.
Who you want to be? Sister man.
Sister man. Now you my problem so with you. You know, since I get the last one, my body, my mood, my brain, my brain, I don't come off of my head. It then my tattoo where the mash up, they go, not confine anybody. You understand me? Because you like those land today, you know. Say, she just won't get a farrog. You know the meaning of a farrog. She just won't get, say, yes, I got this training. I go training, she go. Teacher training.
Not be to say, it would make it go. Now, that one make it go, Abi.
Make you ask, not be she the platform, so. I said, Meg don't work for hospital before that she see the work for them. I don't know. She know what I'm talking about.
Now that you see the work,
they talk my truth. Because me just see work for that too. They don't offer me this frigate craft. I see like 6 months after go arrest. You know the year when me they talk as sis.
I what you they talk yeah.
Now what I don't know now you go fit tell me. I go say I don't know. That's why I know her. I say I watched the Daniels for 6 months arrest. I said, no, the boy. For your bad, no, me I come up for you.
No, talk now. Where you they go now?
Me, me not the verse for any of them.
Why you can't say you they go? I give you time. You they explain. You they say you they go.
I go carry you for head. I go carry you for my belly. I go carry you for everywhere. No, it's anywhere where we meet. If we want fight, we fight. As the person they crest, maybe we see the crest. We go crest together. But when it comes to education, when it see go school, men go school. Apart from dog school, I don't know. But I know say
man, educated. Me
know say Meg is educated. Fine. That one, I cannot dispute that. I don't know the level where she go reach for here. I know say maybe she go language school for here because for here once you reach here, they will say you go language school, you go. And if they do us video, she for that will shoot the paper for our eye for here. It's very easy. You know they had, if you get behinds for this country, if you pass your behinds, you know they have people will get that they shoot for our eye. You see that when me and Rita the Korea attack on my own come out. I say, see my behinds. I shoot down on air. See my own, see my A2, see my normal language certificate. They go post I can give you. You know they graduate, the absolutes that they do. Finish of study, finish. Everybody go ask.
No.
Then your certificate, they'll post some of the call give you for us. What are you talking? Why worry us? Me, I just stayed Dusty for 25 years. You know, meet me here. And I go follow that the drag ground. Yeah, what did you know? Oh, Bromoki. What you want to tell me for Dusty? Three places, she did my hand. If you talk to I'll say this one I truth, I say B. When she show all the school where she for graduate, when give her that certificate, you know, she said that foreigners, be done. That did that. Who know then our online course she even they do? Who know then our online course that she do? When she go write exam, all of them go meet for there. Then they'll go do one cap, they say they graduate from frigate crafts.
But the rest people wear cap yesterday. Now let Rita wear cap.
Now they
I don't know let Rita wear cap yesterday. Now the rest people wear.
She over Nisi. This one Amazon product Amazon. You see, in life, whatever you are doing, do it well. Meg no say for a year, they know they do certificate or they wear cap, they wear that jacket, no they. She know. So why all this? Why?
Mama, I say the rest people, they're not dressed like that. Now they dressed like that yesterday.
Me go there, she showed the rest people. Me, I don't know whether she showed the rest people.
No, the rest people not wear.
See, okay, and at the end of the day, only you go wear cap, wear shirt. That one your shame and disgrace don't register already. Why worry you?
Okay, Mama, you they tell us now say na Facebook saga.
Me, I started to talk my own thing, not concern me. You know fit encourage other people, even your followers, make you encourage them, say, go and do this stuff because already work on the Deutschland again. You know why? Because of the people where it trials, all this way enter here. So anyway, if you apply for a job now, 2 years, they're not going to give you a job. So the only available job now like this is they work. So now, before they will give you this they work, you must get the far wrong. You know what they talk about? They go ask you, as to an far wrong is the first question.
How about it they call?
As to an far wrong.
Wait, who they call so? Precious man they call. Wait, no, listen to that mama. Hello. Oh yeah. How you doing? Good morning. What's that man?
Mama, because 12 o'clock in me. 12 o'clock in need me dark by Rebecca down. When 12 o'clock I check out, but we don't already ready anyways. Anyway, first and foremost, I wanted to because since they always insult me, I they see where they insult me, they throw to me. for even on Muslim platform, sometimes everything. But me now one person will be say, thank God say she don't use her mouth talk, say me and she never ever get problem, but she have been insulting me. So I want to give her the last chance today and the benefit of that. So as far as say she don't use her mouth talk, say she know the insult, she not get problem with me. That Eriyo now they talk to so. You understand? So anything will be in my mind when I want to talk, my first swallow one for today again the next time, because nobody will know sabi grace, nobody will word not day in mouth. As you see me, so I'm in a celebration mood right now, and I don't want to get problem with anybody. I'm not only that, I don't want to have irrelevant problem, as I always say, with anyone. But the first time you say they get problem with me, I will give them that problem. My Dutch land all of us day. So let me not just answer her again, since she don't already. As she don't begin to explain just now, say Meg. I was like, Meg, wait, Meg, now this Meg, now that.
You say 12
so
not see.
let me just swallow everything. Let me talk. Let me just swallow everything right supposed to tell her, because maybe if to say I come here just now for and another way for take on, but let me just swallow it for now. So no problem for that one. That one don't go. For that, what it make me even vex now when they say me and Rita say now they go soon quarrel. My dear, anybody wait they wait me and Rita quarrel. I mean they talk now wholly. The friendship now, because of the friendship I felt get with somebody for social media before, and now that one forgiving friendship, not be friendship. We will never be friends, because somebody who bully my 7 days old Peking, Precious, and come they talk trash about me. They can't say to us. They make them not talk say maybe the thing still in my mind. I can't get close to her. That one not be friendship.
Yeah.
I will go close to that person so that she know if she say maybe I don't accept her apology then, or I still get her for mind. So it's different between somebody you choose as your friend.
Yeah.
You understand? That one now pity. I was just close to her because that one person maybe say me and she know they ever talk behind camera. We know they discuss anything. She doesn't know anything about me. But Rita knows a lot about me. Me and Rita they talk more inside house than that one be friendship. Me, I never tell Rita say I see the situation when I did now maybe I ain't share idea what they solve. I never tell that person that I say see the situation where I did say maybe we'll share idea how to solve it. But me and Rita don't share situations together. She will advise me, I would say advice, I will try way to sort her out, and that one be friendship.
Yeah.
So it's two different things. Because that time, now if not be our sister, wey push me, bitch, so back at that time say, you know me, made there's for nothing say you still get her for mind. That one, she has never been my friend. That's why I was not able to really deal with her as a friend. I've never used my money to buy gift for that person then.
Sister Mujafo, me everywhere time now. You know say years back when they come saga you that time, you remember? When
Yes,
you know
for me, exactly, you number one.
Mujafo, Sister Mujafo, when we teach a job ni na I got to say sister we go san gbo seven jegbe whether you genya odabe whether you can't say na bisokpaka say make una settle.
I told you that time, God bless you.
Yes.
Because if I go close now, they'll say I know I said the apology.
Yeah, you are a lot of time.
That was a pity friendship, a pity one, but I was there and I was very careful.
Yeah.
That is why you see me say I don't create enmity for anybody. You understand? What I was just doing it so she will feel that I like her.
Yeah.
But me, that inside me, I know say now I mean never I understand. So that is for that. That is bygone by the way, and it's bygone. So that was it.
You don't say now as a mama say okay now she don't understand. You know say you know that van.
Yeah, let me come back to what Ivie. I'm not supposed to put mark for her name like that because she's.
I know. Finish the second one, sister. Finish the ex-friend. You say you when to you know see two people quarrel. They will say make they come settle back again because that settlement that time now people now they push you put me even call you. I call Sister Meg. I tell Sister Meg say you don't see they go again.
It was the first one, and I accepted it.
Funny, funny,
So it was a pity friendship. So that was it. Anyway, I don't want to go back to the past. I'm not a new person. I don't upgrade. I'm not did that.
No, sister, you need to go back there. Oh, sister, you know why you go back there? Because the thing say the way when that you with that one take quarrel, say you with Rita will take quarrel. Now that one you're supposed to clear.
No, me and Rita, we are two educated people. It's different. There is a difference between having a friendship with an educated person and having a friendship with an opposite person or opposite of you. So it's different. So anyway, I don't want to go back there. Nobody can take me back there. Let me just clear this husband of a thing when Sister Ivie talks. You know, I was there yesterday. I started with husband in this country, but I pull out. Now the 1 year on I can do. Why I get my certificate, and if now what I will bring her come out for live video, why they work. So that one was that one. It's not easy. What I saw yesterday is even written. Like, there is a place I even snap her with what they write on. Is Fliege Fak Craft. Fliege Fak Craft. She understand. If you really understand Dutch, where it's 3 years husband, and if she want to really understand it, let's start from the live video I did yesterday. From the beginning, they wrote the date when the test starts and the date when the test end yesterday, which is 3 years. So I know say hatred day. I know say misunderstanding day. I know say maybe bad belly say because me and she not be friend. I want to talk bad against her. They are mine, but truth has to be told. What she did for 3 years hospital, it was not easy. And she live in Deutschland. Yeah, she knows it's not easy. Especially to even go school with the thing is that
okay, now 3 years, now Rita take do that no school.
Yeah, now 3 years now she take on I end yesterday. He did the live video, they write the dates put and tell her to go and listen when the teachers was explaining it. Just that when you start, she was still doing live video until the thing. When it was not getting tougher, you know, in the beginning they would take it lightly with you. It would be very easy, so she was still be able to do live video. When the thing they get tougher, that was when she started pulling off from live video. That's why people they calculate and say maybe now when she take pull off, now she take start. No, she already started. You know, say in the beginning, if you want start hospital, they'll first start to build you to get engaged into the studies. So the beginning, you know, they tough until you don't day inside. When the way they just start to they teach you in the beginning, the one you come they use and they do exams. Now they come they day tough. You don't understand, my sister. So now I make people not understand. Say it reached 3 years, and of course time fly. The way time they fly these days, if it be like say maybe No. 3 years don't complete. Yes, it looks like.
Yeah, because it's a way mention about that. Because again, already saga. The time when they do saga, now plenty pass the time when they go to school. Now make people they doubt.
Now make me talk say that one. I won't explain to her there because I was there. The live video I did yesterday is almost 4 hours. I started from the beginning. Even had a test start. When they talk, everything that they do like form of interview and all that, she go see the dates. And they unfang that too. Yesterday, even when the proprietors of the school talk, give speech, it's people can say, hard time flies already 3 years. You understand? So it's like that. And I know the jammers, they know they bribe them for this kind of thing. It's like that. You understand? It's like that. So then that was for that one when she wear the apron, that graduation this thing is normal. We for Deutschland here, we know they wear her. Now just that certificate that they give. But based on say she was so excited, a fan of her, and I sent that for her as gift of congratulations. It was a customized apron. It's not, she didn't buy it. She even posted say a gift from her fan. You understand? Even the when she received and she even called me for video call, say, hey, now that day now you go join wear her. You understand? That's why even you see after they don't give her a certificate, everything, she can't go car. Everything was on live video. She can't go car and say her gift to me, she can't use her gift, take picture. So that is it. You understand? The truth has to be told. We don't need to say because say we get grudges for somebody, we just condemn everything. No.
Because that apron when you wear yesterday, now people call they talk say why the rest people not wear her.
Now university they wear her for Deutschland. You understand? Because now university now they wear her for because I know say Nathan uncle. get story.
Okay, and I make that they talk yesterday. You know, say people gonna say na doctor. Some people gonna say na nurse.
No, not the doctor, not the doctor, my dear sister.
Okay.
No, I will not support that. She's not a doctor. She's a flingy fact craft, like professional care nurse, which is also not easy. We have to be sincere to ourselves.
No.
You understand? But we have to also applaud her for that. It's not easy. You understand me? So now people are just getting it. You know, say normally, you know the situation. Of course, she's a blogger, she's a content creator, she's a Facebook presenter. So based on say she don't day inside the feed, she was not saying she can't address herself as a doctor, Queen Rita. That not me say she's a certified doctor, but she is a professional certified care nurse, and that was I was live there. I put it on live for the benefit of doubt for people who not know what she study. And I will send you the picture now where they write and put so that you translate her. Where the people
but not be the one where you know say the one where they put for Facebook. Now AI they do that one.
No, people use AI design her.
Okay.
From when they wear her, she's not be her own personal uniform. Now just maybe people when just love and when want.
Okay, now they use AI. Okay, now that AI now make people they talk, but she for use the real one.
No, but every woman person, even she when they talk, so when they come against her, when they condemn her, so she's not a dumb. She is also exposed. She is supposed to know that these things are AI. Most on social media. Now, Deutschland, you can't fake it here in Deutschland, especially when it comes to things like this. You not fit because one, the state said the country will even sue you for it. That's like stalking.
No.
Because what you can't show what you are not, especially in the head session like this. It's not possible. You understand? So that is why I say make I call him. Because anything concerning Saga, really, I'm not really interested. But this one, I just wanted to clarify. Because I was there and I'm still there. And it's because of her age, imagine, by now, somebody, they get that kind of certificate where they make her work anywhere. If you go to Canada, America, Swiss, Australia, everywhere in the world now, certified care nurses are needed all over. And
okay, sister, when Norway now, you know, say yesterday, get one woman for Germany. The woman can't come. I even talking for my video yesterday. The woman say, nah, I don't know. He said the people when they do graduation together, whether I see Dutch person inside, says whether I see Dutch person, say Germany person.
No, that person here is not correct. There were Dutch students there. This is Nigeria. Some Nigerians are so dumb.
He can't say na foreigner. He can't say na foreigner when he can't seek asylum.
No. Which kind of asylum? No asylum person there yesterday, my dear. Come on, no teachers not German.
No, for my sister, person when he can't seek asylum, when they say they give am status, you can't go language school. The person say na language school. Now got to say na language school.
So if you not get this way, I got my B in 2016, and if I reach out, I will send out for you. I will screenshot and send for you. May they just send Deutsche because I know say you know the lie. Now when I deal with Papa Nathan for house, now I take you achieve all those things. You just say that now I deal alone with children for no fit. You for no fit, it's not easy. You understand? Yes, she won't see it. Take a strong single mother. Maybe the children don't grow small to first 3 years hospital. You know, easy, my sister.
Yeah.
You understand? I started with hospital. I pull out. It was not easy. It was not easy. So that is why sometimes we have to give flowers to those who really deserve it. Because you have to be determined. It takes a lot of sacrifice. Forget grudges aside. So for that doctor title, you know what's doctor? Doctor not easy now.
Yeah, doctor man.
That's the way she address herself. But she is a forget me that about sending and we want just hold on. Let me see if I can even send it to you. Now where's the phone? May I send on Kenya so that you show where that this thing for sure waiting the graduate for yesterday. Wait, just hold on.
This man.
Hold on. Might find this thing. Just hold on. So I will show them there. Maybe that one will make her bed feel better so she can see it. So not be the one when Now, Rita won't go to learn how to language school for what? No. Wait, just hold on.
Now people they talk. Now people now what did the woman talk yesterday now?
For but where hold on. Hold on. You know, show for but I want you to show her because we have to really. And if she really, she be really woman when really gets integrity. If she don't see the pictures, I think she would reconstruct her word again and say, okay, apart from say we get grudges, this is what she did. She tried. You understand? Believe me. She have to say it because I believe she will do that. Hey, wait, I want to send her for you now. Okay. Whoa, show her for them. Might still zoom the picture again. So I will show her for them. Examiniert Fliege Fachkraft. Wait. Just hold on. I want to send her for you again. As I want to send her for you, so I better show them for the war. We know that Rita not send me what I do, so I just want to clear the air because what is worth doing is worth doing well. The truth has to be said. What even make me vex just now? I just want you to say we go so quarrel. No. Even if, say, for example, say we started with having misunderstanding, she is supposed to be happy that at least, which game we they get? Is when she they insult me everywhere. Which game she they gain? What is they quarrel?
Sister, I don't do make una no dey quarrel again. Only say.
I agree. Me, I don't get time. When I should get me for money, I don't get. Just as she they talk, just as I don't have problem with precious snake. I don't have to be.
She don't say. She says she not get problem with you. Una no dey quarrel, not be people matter.
Because she know I've never.
Now that platform one for the corner there una come dey quarrel una self now. That platform.
Not be say that one is for buy anyway.
Anyway, now there to be honest, now that place now all of una for quarrel come now.
Don't tell me the people I beg. Just bring her out where she for put hand for what she read. It's 3 years. Fliege Fachkraft is 3 years course. Just I don't send her for you. I beg show them for your work. Show them. Now me take those pictures yesterday. I beg show them for your work.
I want this.
Say if you get Ivie this thing, forward them to her, make she see her. You know, easy. At least she's she is a proud Benin woman, according to her. She is proud to be a very Benin woman. At least all baby, now baby the center of Benin for them. You understand? She's supposed to be proud. Say the disgrace way is your bed that they give Benin. Now say we still get one Benin sister. Even apart from the indifference where they
she said make her save the number. Mama, make her save your number before I will add you to sister they talk.
So I just want to make you flash onto all the audience and the mumu where you say call you yesterday. They are all haters. They want to downgrade her effort. It's not nice. It's not nice. I know the way where they respect people where we say they open where do us beat off our place of work. It's not easy. You understand? They go upper hand. At least not the only bad thing we go they announce beneath people put. No, we still they announce the ones where still they sacrifice their time, where still they give to the society. Because she is also if Rita near past me. Me I be Esa. I know say some Benin at the same, but she na Benin like Rita. She have to be say at least not be only 50 prick with they carry for Europe, not be only 50 prick with they carry for Europe, we don't think guys Benin woman where does this you graduate for 3 years hospital. You know easy. You know the grammatic way they Dutch language. So you can go school, read, do exam, pass. It's not easy, my sister. Alright, easy. Alright, more AIs. People know the feed they do. People know the feed they do. There are people in English speaking country where they say that they go school till tomorrow with no certificate.
As a man, I don't have as a mama.
Maggie, I beg, make a correct you for one thing. Yeah, you tell me they go from one platform to another. Tell me they insult you. See one break come out. And apart from saying they contribute from platform to platform, me know they go any platform. Apart from my dear sister, I know they go. Wait now. You they talk since I don't listen to you. You don't me as a woman. Suppose they this call with you, they talk to you. But I want to give you that respect. You have insulted me a lot of time. Okay. Maggie, wait now. Just like as I said.
But you know what? Make una talk and small. Make una talk and small.
Even when they for the insult me, you know say this insult.
One person talk now. Now be matured women.
That means me you have me there for talk. Everybody he go see talk. When our issue start from that, although it's a Fabranga according to Deutschland, it's a past story now. The issue between me and Precious may start for that past experience before they come. Yeah? Because she go to that person waiting on day. Then secondly, the time when listen now, you know you listen now.
Sister Mujafo, no explain no. How you not that van? Not be big women now.
Because they talk now say they insult you for people platform. No, it's a lie. Because now you first start. Now when you start and I follow you up. The time you go to the platform, go to insult me for that, you forget. So now when you now start something, I go follow up. But ever since you never see me say at the go platform they insult you again. Be realistic. You never see me now say I they go from one platform to another they insult you. It's not possible. Because one thing is people can quarrel, people can also reconcile. And I love say if just like one word we talk, you say that person was never your friend, and which you told me right from time, say, I beg you should not be my friend. I believe you. I really believe you because when you talk, say person will bully your picking, 7 years, this and that, I believe you because you tell me the time we really talk. We talk for SARS, we talk inside more than even the time I want to beat that person. Now you come and say, leave her. Not beat them again, leave her. Not be actually leave but so maybe they talk things the way it be. You know me, we grow every day. So that can be like this, tomorrow can be also changed. So now from Genesis, me and you don't get personal quarrel. When me and you say this one now me and Precious Meg now do this quarrel now quarrel because you know they okay. That is what I want to ask you. Yeah, I just want to know one offense I have ever in my life offended you that have made you to humiliate and insult me all this while. Now I just want to. Okay, make I tell you your offense now. Since you say make I tell you your offense now when you go pick on me, where you know say what did they pick on me for was not true. Now you tell the last time you there for Monica platform now they talk so. Me and you know we don't talk for SARS. The next thing you don't come out, don't the join Monica they bulala me. You drop so as finish, you enter line. Now I say Precious Meg, you know if you call me and you now with the talk for SARS, you don't come and say if you're Eriyo, see what I hear no, maybe you talk over for SARS. You jump come out after this will be. Now I be the grudge that he pay me because you know say that thing was not true. It wasn't true. Let us just say with the job people they do saga we want to belong that time. But I expect you to see come out and say if you're sorry. You know you can bully me first before we can join. So I will go there and start saying what when you let join the bully me. Check out. Why not go first? Why not go first? When say me and you not get shoe. Why me not go first? When say me and you not get shoe.
Sister you as a mama you wait make as a mama. As a mama, you waiting she still you still take offend down, make she still talk out because the matter wanna carry now one platform. Now one platform now I go carry this matter when una come the quarrel so.
Precious Meg offend me for his heart. He's private. Now you offend me, and you know, like we go out.
Yeah.
Maybe if I don't get downstairs inside the hotel, I feel still call on her back.
Okay.
Since she daylight. I just quick come out, give them key.
Okay.
Now they're not going to ask me for extra money. You know understand?
Okay, no problem.
Since you see the online,
I see there.
Okay.
You know, see how you see the problem. You see the problem when it did now.
Mama, lovely wait. You see, you know, so they say when they talk pay person.
Yeah.
The wood,
yeah.
You understand? Because if you remember, just like as me you did, yeah. You know, say you know how many times people don't want me, you correct. What would they do there? With the shame, with the body shame them. With they say I beg you, she get right. Even though I still come off your platform, no. I still feel come back again. But this means I feel come out. You know me say me and you go use and quarrel. No. Everybody's entitled to his opinion. You understand? You say make I tell them. I don't tell them.
Yeah.
She not quarrel. We they play just as many they play for SARS. The next thing, Precious Meg don't enter live video. Don't they bully me? People don't come and say Precious Meg they bully me for that. I say, what will happen? Now I say, Jesus. And that time, this was just the finish for life video. Now she enter. And me and she would be friends, just as she and Rita said she be friends to Rita. So, not what we know they discuss. Even when something they happen, now me and she will first discuss her. She'll come say, leave her. Now she won't tell me I not bully Monica that time. Say me I leave her. They don't see set to make her forget. Make her know we join us together, support her. Now she even convinced me. But when she won't beat me, she don't look back. Now me could say, Precious, me this way they talk so not be truth. But last, she and Susie not quarrel. When she come not saying that the truth. Even when Susie tell me that I say, Precious, me has to take cosplay. Ask Precious, then I me come.
You know, see, if Allah say make una settle na differences, say nothing did this life.
I say, Precious, me, Susie see what he tell me the truth. You gospel. She say, me and no man and that's okay, wait for me, I put Susie for line. We call put Susie for line, we call put that girl for line, the girl was supposed to talk about. Now they will call, now me call you and you the tree. Come out. You understand? Even the first time, the first call the way Rita and make quarrel, and me settle the ask her. Now me settle that type of joy, just say, I even get score the right exam. Now me come up for exam hall. I don't write my paper. I can't come out. I can't beg Precious Meg. I can't talk to Rita. Say me wanna rest. This is what I don't do. They can't rest. So me and Precious Meg, we don't get personal call. Say see what it cause our problem apart from Monica issue.
Now people matter now na take the quarrel now people matter now.
Now that call say they come. She can't really sit down. They bully me. They talk different things. And you say me cannot bully you anywhere. Where I see your matter. Where you not apologize to me, say, my sister, sorry. I know say that time after that fight, she come when I want to birthday, she can't celebrate me. I can't not celebrate me because you don't beat me already.
Yeah, now so Mandu. Yeah, as they said now just clear what you do. My mama, you remember one day, I don't know video when I do. I can't see say you do video.